All right, let's start out by making sure that the slots in the silver rings line up with those in the lever. Now find the end of the cable. And at this end, make sure that the black housing is all the way into the silver ring right here so that the cable will stick out like this. Squeeze the lever, insert the barrel into the cable or into the lever itself. Slide it up in. Now what I like to do is right here, let the silver portion of the cable rest on there. Squeeze the lever, and as you release it up, it should slide into place. The final piece of this is to twist the slot so that it no longer aligns, and then lock the ring down. That way the cable can't come back out. And now we'll activate the latch.